Good afternoon everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Shamwari lockdown series. We're going to start off today heading to one of the overlooking areas of the Bushman's River that flows through Shamwari. We've got a stretch of about 26 kilometers that runs through Shamwari. It's been a little bit difficult of late. There's been a continuous drought for the past few years and the river hasn't flowed since 2015. But there are still quite a few sections that have got a bit of water in, and that's also limited some of the space that our hippos can move in. So we're going to go look at a few vantage points and hopefully start off with a few of those hippos. So as you can see, these hippos are just in the water throughout the daytime now, and they actually come out at night to feed. They'll feed on grass, etc. and the reason why they prefer to come out at night time and rather not in daytime is because their skins are incredibly sensitive to sunlight. Now, hippos can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes. Now, there's been a lot of debate over the years about whether hippos can swim or not, and since the new technology of underwater cameras arose, we eventually got the truth, and that is that hippos walk underwater. They can't swim, so they can control their buoyancy very well. If they want to float, they float. If they want to move, they sink down to the bottom and then they move away. Unfortunately though, the Bushman's River at the moment is a little bit low, so I don't think they are having to go underwater much. They're also the land mammal that kill most people in Africa each year, and it's not because they eat meat. They don't, they eat grass, but in rural parts of Africa where there's no flowing water in people's homesteads, they need to head down to water sources to get water for the night and for the next morning, and that's around the same time that the hippos start exiting the water, heading to spots to graze for the night. And if a person gets between hippo and its water, they get incredibly paranoid and incredibly aggressive about that. So very, very dangerous, and they can run speeds of about 35 kilometers an hour, which is much faster than your average human can run. We've just come across this leopard. Incredible luck. I know the sun is a little bit harsh. We're going to see if we can wrap around, but this is not something you see every day. Very, very cool animal. Very elusive, especially in this Eastern Cape thicket. Nice dense areas, perfect for them to hunt in. What a lucky spot. Sweet but short. So we followed the leopard a little bit and we noticed he started stalking, so we gave him a bit of space, and we heard a lot of noises and all sorts in the bush. Looked and searched a bit and eventually came across this. The leopard has successfully managed to pull down a big impala male. Right now what he'll be doing is he's just looking for an area that he can drag it to that will be safe from other predators, so that the other predators don't steal it away from him. Very, very cool to see this. The upper body strength needed for this is incredible. And once he's satisfied with a good spot, he'll just leave it there and start feeding in a little bit. Right, so he's moved the kill into quite a dense area now. A little bit difficult to spot, but you can see him nicely through the bit of the brush that we got a peek through. If we go just a little bit lower from where his face is, you'll see a bit of the kill there, that little white patch with a bit of tan color, and he's probably just going to keep it there now for the night, and he'll probably feed on this kill for up to about 2 days. Have a lick. So very often they'll lick a bit of the fur out. He's inching a little bit closer. We don't want to push our luck. Very, very nice sighting. It is starting to get dark. Give him a bit of, there we go, he's just gotten comfortable, a bit of eating now. And we're going to watch him a little while longer, but for everybody back home, we're going to say good night. We hope you enjoyed your day with us, and definitely very, very lucky. Keep well everyone. Leave us a like, leave us a comment.